I'm Devin Singh from Empire State Associates. We are the A.O. Smith reps in upstate New York. Here I have an A.O. Smith Cyclone high efficiency water heater. VTX 100 is the model. It's over 95% thermal efficient. It's a top-down burner. So the burner's on the top here behind this yellow casing here, and it's pushing all those exhaust gases through a helical heat exchanger. Spiraling down, going through the heat exchanger, cold water is passing through the heat exchanger, scrubbing off all that heat, and going up into the exhaust. Okay. Behind here, including the burner and the blower, you'll have a couple of pressure switches. The gas valve is back here. You have to get through here to see all the controls here. You pop off these couple of screws here, pull this shroud off, and then you'll be able to see the burner, the gas valve, your pressure switches, your control board, etc. Before you do any maintenance work, replacing any controls, make sure your unit is disabled, and also shut off power to the unit. Okay. Also here you have your touch display here. On this touch display, it's going to show you a couple of things. It's in normal operating mode, standby mode when it's just sitting there waiting for a call for hot water, and any error codes going to pop up through here. You'll see a couple of icons through here. You'll see one icon right now is a temperature symbol. You'll also see a fan when the blower kicks on to make sure the flue pipe is clear, free and clear. And you'll see a flame signal. That means when there's a call for hot water and the faucets are on and there's a call for hot water, you're going to do a pre-purge cycle. The blower's going to kick on, and you're going to see a little fan spinning around symbol. And then once everything's free and clear, it proves that we're good to fire. You're going to see a flame signal there, and that's going to run until the tank is satisfied to whatever predetermined temperature it's set at. Okay. Other than that, we have a couple of things here. We have your Tnt Relief Valve here. Make sure that's always free and clear. You have your condensate elbow here. Make sure this condensate is free and clear for maintenance, periodic maintenance. Just make sure that's free and clear. You have a clean out back down here. Just make sure this is free and clear here. You have a neutralizer, condensate neutralizer. You're going to have to replace that every year at least, the neutralizer. Because the condensate that comes out of the exhaust here is pretty acidic. So you're going to make sure you want to have a neutral pH going into the plumbing system here. Over here. You have your cold water shut off, your hot water shut off, your thermal expansion tank in the back here, which also is isolated IC also. So those are the main components of this water heater here. And then I'll go just through the touch display right now.
The Cyclone MXI commercial gas water heater features an advanced touch screen display. Developed by A.O. Smith exclusively for the Cyclone series of high-efficiency water heaters, the LCD display delivers key operating information and allows precise fingertip control. The home screen gives a quick overview of the water heater's current status, including tank temperature, as well as a graphic indication of the current state of operation. Touching the LCD screen turns on the backlight to allow viewing even in locations with poor lighting. The status icons show you what the water heater is currently doing or preparing to do. The control defaults to the standby mode when the water heater is waiting on a call for heat. At a call for heat, the display will show the fan icon indicating the water heater has started the pre-purge mode. The igniter, gas valve, and flame icons let you know that the water heater has completed the firing sequence and is heating. Clicking on the menu button allows you to monitor or control various operating modes and parameters. The temperature option lets you view or change the current set point and differential. Heater status shows you the current state of pressure switches and other sensors. All of the information on the heater status tab is updated in real time. The Cyclone MXI is compatible with the ICOM connectivity service. The display will show you if the water heater is connected to the ICOM service via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Heater information shows the details of the operating life cycle of the Cyclone. You can check the amount of time the burner has been operating, the configuration, and the total cycle count since the water heater was installed. Current fault will tell you if there's an existing problem, and it provides diagnostic and repair information. Fault history provides visibility into the water heater's historical operations and can reveal common trends that may be causing improper operation. This is a valuable diagnostic tool for service technicians that helps them find and fix problems quickly. The Cyclone MXI touchscreen display is just one more innovation that makes Cyclone the most advanced commercial gas water heater you can buy.
Temperature, heater status, display, heater information, and current faults if there is one, okay? If you have to, you go through the settings here. You could actually set what temperature you want. Typically, for this type of water heater, you set it at about 120 to 140. Okay, 140 degrees. You do have a thermostatic mixing valve here, so you drop the temperature down so you don't get scalded at the end of your fixtures here. And that's really the basics of this water heater.